What's cracking, YouTube? Back with another episode from Trenches to the Riches, y'all. Listen, now today I just want to talk about my portfolio, things going forward in 2022, the stock market crash, the importance of buying low, and stocks to look out for going forward in 2022. Okay, now let's check out my portfolio going forward. All right, now as y'all can see, I'm down 7% in my portfolio. Now I speak to a lot of people. I see a lot of people that's on Facebook, YouTube, friends, and there's a lot of people who is down 50, 30, 20%. But as y'all can see in my portfolio, I do a pretty good job of buying stocks at the low. Not every stock I bought at the very low. Of course, this is my first year, or about to be second year, because we reached the full year, but this is my first year. My first year, I made a lot of mistakes, and I learned not to FOMO buy. But it's very few occasions where I decided to FOMO buy just for a quick swing trade, and it didn't go right. All right. For example, one of my swing trades was Shiba Inu. I just wanted to get a quick 30%, 20%, and I was gonna be out. As soon as I bought it, it fell 5%, 10%, and it was just a falling knife from there. Right. Now, as y'all can see, as I was saying, in the midst of a stock market crash and all this negativity on the stock market, I'm only down 8%. 8% in the midst of all of that, all right? Now, this is the importance of buying low. I'll be patient when I buy most of my stocks. If it's a stock that I didn't buy at the very low, I would rather sell. Not at a loss, but if it goes back up, take a little 10%, 5% profit, and just hold and wait till I see another buying opportunity to see it at a lower price or at a price range that I like. All right. For example, I'm going to share this with you guys. As a beginning investor, my first year I was buying plug at $48. I averaged down all the way from $48 all the way to $30. At one point in time, plug dropped all the way to $20 a share. I would have loved to have my 125 shares there, but you know what I did when it went back to $33? I just sold and will buy back at a lower price, which is lower than my average cost. All right, sometimes you get stuck at the high, you might just have to average down just to help get out the play, and then take that same money and buy at a lower price. All right, now we do have a lot of plays that's hit. As far as the future stocks, the technology stocks, tech stocks, EV stocks down 50%. I was never down this much. All right, and a lot of these plays got hit. As y'all can see, keeping it real, I'm keeping it raw. Right, my portfolio is down $6,000 now. In the midst of any time the stock market has negative news or anything that comes out, the most my portfolio goes down is about 6,000. I think I saw my portfolio maybe down, like 6,500 the most. All right, I'm never down 50%, 25%. I never even been down 10%, because why? I'm buying low and averaging down. All right, this is the point of averaging down. Right, so if you're a person that bought something at $50 and then at $25, you should be buying. All right, don't just sit there and cry and be like, oh, I'm down 50% in my money. No, help your portfolio out. If you made a bad decision, don't just sit there on that bad decision. Help your bad decision out. Help correct that bad decision. All right, going forward, and then you know next time, hey, I'm not gonna buy or FOMO buy at this level. All right, so you won't have to always average down, considering that you're a long-term investor. All right, now the interest rates will go up in March, February. We expect a 3 to 4 interest rate spikes. I'm not afraid of that. All right, like, you know me, like I say all the time, we long-term investing over here. We gonna hold, just have that cash ready on the side to buy the dip. Don't be scared to buy these dips, y'all. Don't be scared to load up on cash. Don't be scared of stocks falling 10, 20, 50%, because that's where initially we want to buy it at. All right, like I said, I got Lucid at 1866. All right, I had 125 shares. When it went to $15 in the pre-market that one morning, guess who was scooping up shares at $15 and got that huge discount? And now y'all see I tripled my money on Lucid. All right, now I just want to tap in with the family real quick. Alright, I'm gonna be bringing more videos to YouTube, being more consistent. Alright, another episode from Trenches to the Riches, y'all. Let's get this money.